trees here with root healthy plants, and I have a story to tell you about this apple tree here. Today is me and my wife's 1-year anniversary of being married. We were out and we said, you know what? Both her and I are nature lovers. We're tree lovers. We're plant lovers. So we said, we know Lowe's has a sale on a lot of their plants and trees. Let's stop by there just to see what they have. We went in there and they have a bunch of stuff that we just weren't interested in, or a lot of stuff that we already have, raspberry bushes, so on and so forth. We're looking a little, not too happy. On the way out, we saw that there was one tree left, one apple tree. And I'm like, odd. They don't normally have fruit trees at this time of year. Those things fly off the shelves. Just for the heck of it, let's see what the price is. So I went over, checked the price. The price said $99.98. All the leaves on this thing don't look the greatest. I see clearance signs in this section. I see clearance sign in another section. You know what? Let me go talk to one of the associates there and see what they're actually charging for this tree, because I would absolutely buy this tree if I can get a discount on it. Went to talk to one of the store associates. They didn't know what's going on. I don't know about clearance. So went to go inside, talk to customer service. They don't know. Oh, we got to talk to a manager. Okay, call the manager. Manager's on lunch. Call the other manager. The other manager's on. Everybody's on lunch. Nobody know what's going on. Long story short, they had like a junior manager associate guy come, and he doesn't know what's going on. He's like, okay, just show me where the tree is at. But he has some level of authority that he can clear something for clearance or something that's on sale. So we bring him over to the tree. And I'm like, yeah, this is the tree right there. You see that clearance sign over there? There's a clearance sign over here. So it stands to reason that this tree could be on clearance. And look at it. I start pointing out the leaves. I'm like, oh, this one got a little hole in it. This one, I crunch one of the leaves. I'm like, oh, you hear that crunch? This tree is garbage. I don't even know if we want, babe, do we really want this tree? I'm like, I don't even think we want this tree. But I know, dude, he done did all this work trying to go get his manager, go get that manager. He walked all the way over there to this section, so he didn't want to do that in vain. He didn't want to make that trip for nothing. I'm trying to negotiate, make the price. I don't even know if I want this tree. Oh man, this tree's probably going to die anyway. This might be a waste of money. What they want to do, a little bit of damage control as far as how much they take a loss by the end of the year in trees and plants and stuff like that. Because a lot of the stuff is just not going to last, going to die sitting in the store. People are not going to take care of it properly. So I'm like, okay. In my mind, they want to get rid of it. They want to at least make something off of it. So I'm like, man, look at this tree. This tree's on its way out. It's leaning. The leaves are falling off. I mean, but that's natural for this time of year. Trees, it starts to get cold, the leaves fall off. It's natural. But he might not know that. So I'm like, man, babe, I don't even think we want it. We should just go. But guy's like, hold on. He gets on the walkie-talkie. Something about a tree. What's this tree go for? It's priced for $99.98. He brings us over to the register. Follow me. He tells the lady, ring him up, 20 bucks. I'm like, 20 bucks? If this was on clearance, it would have been 50% off. So we would end up paying 50 bucks for this tree. We got this Northern Spy apple tree for 20 bucks, 80% off. At the end of the growing season, and I think we stole. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about the price that we got this Northern Spy tree. And this tree is actually, so I'm 6'1", so this tree has to be about 7'1", 7'2", 7'3". So we got a really big, mature northern apple tree for 20 bucks. I consider this a steal, and I'll even show you the receipt right here. We got that for 20 bucks. Look at that. I think I won. I can't wait to get this in the ground. I'll make another video about me putting this apple tree in the ground. If you like the story, if you like anything you got from this video, please like the video. It's going to help to get these videos out to more people. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Keep it growing. I'll see you on the next one.